Today I am reviewing the ASUS ProArt Display 27-inch 4K HDR professional monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the visuals. The PA279CRV features a 27-inch LED backlit IPS panel with a stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution. That's Ultra HD clarity with pixel-perfect sharpness, providing more than enough screen real estate for side-by-side editing, detailed timelines, and high-resolution photo touch-ups. The 178-degree wide viewing angle ensures color and image integrity no matter where you're seated, crucial when collaborating or presenting work. What truly sets this monitor apart is its color accuracy. The ProArt PA279CRV covers 99% of both the DCI-P3 and AdobeRGB color gamuts, which is a rare and powerful combination. This wide color gamut ensures vibrant yet accurate reproduction for both digital content and print workflows. The display is Calman Verified and factory pre-calibrated to a delta E of less than 2, meaning that the color accuracy is measured, verified, and ready for high-end production right out of the box. You can trust what you see on screen. HDR support is another standout feature. With true HDR support, your highlights appear brighter, your blacks deeper, and your contrast more dynamic, giving your content a cinematic depth that pops on screen. Whether you're working on HDR video content or simply enjoying HDR-supported streaming, this monitor brings visuals to life in a dramatic and authentic way. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The PA279CRV is a productivity powerhouse with an array of modern ports. It includes a full-function USB-C port with DisplayPort alt mode, data transfer, and up to 96 watts of power delivery, meaning you can charge your laptop while using the display, all through one cable. You also get a DisplayPort, HDMI, and a USB hub, making it incredibly convenient to hook up multiple devices including desktops, cameras, external drives, and more. For those who use multi-monitor setups, the PA279CRV also supports DisplayPort daisy chaining, allowing you to easily connect additional displays without the need for extra ports on your computer. Ideal for building out a professional editing or design workspace. Comfort and ergonomics are also front and center. The included stand is fully ergonomic with tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments. Whether you're working long hours on a complex project or just browsing the web, you'll appreciate how easily the monitor adapts to your posture and workflow. The monitor is also VESA mount compatible, giving you more flexibility for arm mounts and wall installation. And if you're a creative professional looking to expand your toolkit, ASUS includes a free 3-month subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud with this monitor, adding even more value for designers, editors, and artists. Aesthetically, the monitor features a sleek, minimalist design with ultra-narrow bezels, allowing for a more immersive visual experience and cleaner multi-monitor configurations. It looks just as professional as the work it helps you produce. To sum it all up, the ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV is a top-tier 27-inch 4K monitor that delivers professional-grade color accuracy, high dynamic range, and excellent connectivity in a beautiful, ergonomic package. It's made for creatives who don't want to compromise on quality, performance, or convenience. Whether you're color grading a short film, designing print-ready marketing materials, or simply demanding a more color-accurate display for your work, the PA279CRV delivers in every category. With its impressive color coverage, factory calibration, versatile I/O, and USB-C with power delivery, this monitor is built to meet the needs of the modern creator. So if you're looking to level up your creative setup with a reliable, precision-calibrated display, the ASUS ProArt PA279CRV is a worthy investment.